So today we're going to be making bagels. And if you get my book, Baking in Smaller Batches, you can get the recipe. But today we're going to show you how to put it together. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put in the water, and this is warm water in the oil, right into the mixer. And then the flour. And then the salt, the sugar, and the yeast. And you're going to mix it on speed 4 for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. You can see the dough's all mixed together. Just take it off the hook, out of the bowl. You can see that the dough is mixed together nicely. There's nothing left in the bowl. So all you need to do is just wrap your dough in plastic wrap and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. You just need to let that gluten relax for a little bit. So it's been a half an hour and it's time to start to form the bagels. Alright, so cut the dough in half and then into thirds, each half into thirds. And all you need to do is roll each piece around into a ball. And once you have it into a ball, you just put your thumb right through it and kind of stretch it out a little bit and put it right on your baking sheet. Now make sure you have a sill pad or you can use parchment, but you have to spray it with non-stick cooking spray because the bagels will stick to the parchment if you don't spray it with something to help them not stick. Okay, so once you've formed all your bagels, you can spritz them with just a little bit of avocado oil or some kind of non-stick cooking spray. Cover it with plastic wrap. And that's just so the plastic wrap doesn't stick to the bagels once they've proofed all the way. And so now you just need to let these sit in the warmest spot until they double in size. Alright, so you can see that the bagels have doubled in size. They're a lot bigger than they were. And it's time to dip them in the water and bake them. So what I have right here is some boiling water. Very hot. A bagel isn't a bagel if you don't boil it. So all you do is take your bagel very carefully and just dip it right in. And it just takes a second. So this one will be a plain bagel. Okay, so when you're ready to add some flavors, like a seed or something, what you do is instead of taking it and putting it on the tray, you just dip it right out of the bath, the water bath, into the seeds of your choice, top and bottom. And that will do it for you. Alright, so one of my other favorite bagels to make is a cheese bagel. And even though I don't eat cheese, they look really good. And everybody who does eat cheese really likes them. So all you do is take your bagels. You're done with the water now. Egg wash the plain one really lightly, but this will add a lot of color. And then also egg wash the cheddar cheese. And just take one piece of cheese, sliced cheddar, put it on top of each bagel that you want to turn into a cheddar bagel. And so these will go right into a 450-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so here the bagels are after 14 minutes in the oven, and you can see they look just great. And I don't know who wouldn't love a bagel like this. So I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching.